Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your WordPress password easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your WordPress password, start by navigating to your WordPress login page. This page is typically found at yourdomain.com/wp-admin or yourdomain.com/wp-login.php. Once you're on the login page, look for the Lost Your Password link. Clicking this link will lead you to a password reset form. Enter the email address associated with your WordPress account. After you've entered your email, click the Get New Password button. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from WordPress. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click the link, which will take you back to the Reset Password page. Here, you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. After entering your new password, confirm it in the designated field. Once you've filled in both password fields, click the Reset Password button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been changed successfully. Now, return to the WordPress login page. Enter your username and the new password you just created. Click the Login button. If everything was done correctly, you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. That's how you easily reset your WordPress password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.